Moikka! Today let's decorate our journals and make some fall tags. I got this lovely package in the mail. Woomer Art sent me these lovely colored pencils and I will be trying them out with the tags. I am Mari from Taiga Journals. Welcome to my channel. Let's open the colored pencil metal box. There are 72 colored pencils. Good light fastness, soft core, artist quality, saturated colors. And there is a cute little cat. Lovely colors. And then there is a second storage, which is nice. First glance at the colors. Here are many options. Woomer color pencil with the kitty cat. Lovely. Warm thank you to Woomer for sending me these lovely colored pencils. And if you want to go and check out more of this product, there is more information in the description box below. Yes, but now let's put these to use and do some fall tags. When I started to think about the tags, I wanted them to show on both sides of the page. The tag would be here and then the same tag on the other side of the page. So I started to think that how would I do this? And I had this plan that I would make, let's say, a mushroom, like so. And then I would flip this around, like so. So the back will be showing upwards. And then I will draw the mushroom according to the edge. And this way, when you put the back sides together, it will be exactly the same tag. And it will go nicely to the page, like so. And then it's over here. And when you glue this, it's exactly the same tag on the other side. And this was the handmade version. And now I will show you the digital version of this tag if you want to draw this digitally. So you do the mushroom cap. And then the foot, and then you copy the layer like so, and then you transform it. You flip horizontal the same mushroom like so, there. And now you can print this and it is exactly the same when you cut the mushroom tag. And then you can think of your favorite fall things and do the tags with them. Yesterday I drew some of my favorite fall things. And I will make the tags with these. And I printed these fall tags out, and now I will start the bottom layer with some watercolors, and then we will be using these colored pencils. Okay, but let's start the coloring, which is always so much fun, and do some fall tags. watercolor part is done. And next, let's enhance these pictures with the colored pencils. I think the colored pencils brought a nice depth, and I think they made a huge difference to the pictures. Next, I will add some marker decorations here and there. Now the fall tags are ready. I will cut one and show you how I plan to use these. And then I will add some inking. And you have the option, you can glue it only part of it, or you can glue the whole thing by first putting this on this side and then this on that side. And because I haven't done anything to this spread yet, I think I will glue this only partially. And then you have a ready-made tag on the next spread also. And I will do the same thing with the rest of the tags when I need them. Lovely. And if you want to color these specific tags, these are for sale on my Etsy shop with the Blanco tag print, and then this colored one also comes with it. Thank you Woomer Art for sending me this lovely set. I will definitely use this in the future. More information is in the description box below if you want to go and check out this wonderful set. But now, until next time, and happy fall art craftings and art journalings. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.